Today, we're reviewing Testojack 200 by Now Foods, a popular supplement that claims to boost male performance and testosterone. But does it actually work? Let's get into the facts. Testojack 200 is a natural supplement made by Now Foods, a trusted company that's been around since 1968. It combines herbal ingredients like tungcat alley, tribulus, maca, horny goatweed, and two types of ginseng. The goal is to support testosterone levels, boost energy, improve libido, and enhance sexual performance. Each bottle contains 60 or 20 capsules, and you take 2 capsules 1 to 3 times daily with food. Testojack 200 is backed by research, but mainly for libido and energy, not testosterone. Tungcat Ali is the star ingredient at 200 milligrams, and studies show it can improve sex drive and erections. Maca and tribulus also support libido in higher doses. However, most experts agree that Testojack 200 won't significantly raise your testosterone levels. The doses are too low and only one ingredient. Panax ginseng actually affects testosterone, but it's underdosed at just 75 milligrams. Reviews are mixed. On Amazon and iHerb, many users give it 4 to 5 stars, saying they feel more energized, motivated, and noticed improvements in the bedroom within a few days. One user even tested his testosterone after 2 months and found it increased, though he was taking double the recommended dose. On the flip side, some users report zero changes even after finishing multiple bottles. A few experience side effects like jitteriness, hot flashes, or skin redness from taking too much. Testojack 200 is better for libido than testosterone. If you're looking for a real testosterone boost, this probably isn't the best choice. The ingredient doses are low compared to clinical studies. For example, tribulus needs 6,000 milligrams to work, but Testojack only has 250. Same with maca and horny goatweed. They're underdosed. Also, it takes consistent daily use to see any benefits, not just taking it as needed. So, does it work? For libido and energy, yes, many users see improvements. For testosterone, probably not. It's affordable at around $17 to $30, made by a reputable company, and contains natural ingredients. If you want a better sex drive and stamina, it's worth trying. But if you need serious testosterone support, look for a comprehensive formula with higher doses. It's not a magic pill, but it might give you a boost. That's the honest review on the Testojack 200. Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.